4975. Fees for resident hunting, fishing, and combination hunting and fishing license and exemption. 1A. Any resident, as defined in Section 4973 upon application, shall receive a combination resident hunting and fishing license for the sum of $25. The license shall qualify the licensee to hunt under this chapter all game and fowl, including deer and turkey, and to fish in any county of the state. B. Any resident as defined in Section 4973 upon application shall receive a resident combination small game hunting and fishing license for the sum of $10, together with the fee provided in Section 49717. The officer agent issuing the license, the hunting license, shall qualify the license to hunt and fish under this chapter all game and fowl except deer and turkey in any county in the state. C. Any resident as defined in Section 4973 upon application shall receive a sportsman license for the sum of $45. The license shall qualify the licensor to hunt under this chapter all game and fowl, including deer and turkey, and to fish as provided by law in any county in the state, and to hunt using primitive weapons and bow and arrow in the manner provided by law. The commissioner may notify the licensee of the expiration of his license, and the licensee may renew the license by mailing the sum of $45 to the commission. A licensee who has not renewed the license within 30 days after the expiration date shall be removed from the commissioner's record. The licensee must apply to be placed on the renewal list. D. In addition to a hunting license allowing the taking of turkey, a resident who hunts turkey during a fall turkey season must purchase a fall turkey hunting permit for a fee of $5, plus the fee provided in Section 49717. A resident sportsman license or resident's lifetime sportsman license may hunt during the fall turkey season without purchasing a permit. E. The commission may offer a resident apprentice hunting license for a resident who does not have the required certification of hunter education, required certificate of hunter education, and may set the fee for the apprentice hunting license. An apprentice license may be purchased by only one time by a resident, and the apprentice hunting license must be accompanied by a licensed or exempt resident hunter at least 21 years of age when hunting. 2A. Any resident citizen of the state of Mississippi who has not reached the age of 16 years or who has reached the age of 65 years, or any resident citizen who is blind, paraplegic, or a multiple amputee, or who has been adjudged by the Veterans Administration as having a total service-connected disability, or has been adjudged to be totally disabled by the Social Security Administration, shall not be required to purchase or have in his possession a hunting or fishing license when engaged in such activity. A person exempt by reason of total service-connected disability as adjudged by the Veterans Administration, or who has been adjudged to be disabled by the Social Security Administration, or who is blind, paraplegic, or multiple amputee, shall have in their possession and on their person proof of their age, residency, disability status, or other respective physical impairment when engaged in the activities of hunting or fishing. B. Any resident who is a member of the armed forces, including the reserves or National Guard, and on active duty outside of the state of Mississippi, is not required to purchase or have in his possession a hunting or fishing license while engaged in such activities on leave from active duty. The resident shall have in his possession and on his person any proof as may be required by the Commission. C. All exempt hunting and fishing licenses previously issued for disabilities shall be null and void effective July 1st, 1993. The Commission may offer a youth all game hunting and fishing license for exempt youths who have a hunter education certificate, and an all game hunting and fishing license for other persons exempt under paragraph A. Youths and other exempt persons shall not be required to purchase the license or have it in possession while hunting or fishing. The Commission may establish a fee not to exceed $5 for this license. E. The requirement for purchasing and or having a hunting or fishing license authorized subsection 1 of this section may be waived for any resident or non-resident who is honorably discharged veteran with a combat-related disability and who will be participating in a special hunt, fishing trip, or other outdoor recreational event that is available only to such person as determined by the entity sponsoring the event. The Commission is authorized to establish such criteria and or procedures for an organization to be recognized as a sanctioned entity that provides unique outdoor recreational opportunities for a wounded or disabled veteran. Any event sponsored by a recognized organization and other persons participating in such events shall be entitled to the waiver set forth above without further action on the part of the Commission or the sponsoring organization. 3. No license shall be required of residents to hunt, fish, or trap on lands in which the record title is vested in such person. 4. Any persons or person exempt under this section from procuring a license shall be subject to and must comply with all other terms and provisions of this chapter. 5. Any person authorized to issue any license under this section may collect and retain for the issuance of each license an addition fee authorized under section 49717. I'm going to put up a current list from Mississippi Wildlife and Parks right here. So pause it if you need to check out the list, the price list. It will have the fee, the issuance fee, and everything of that nature. So pause the screen now if you want to see it. While you're reading that list, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel so we can keep this going. I'm going to start the hunting law, so there's going to be a lot of these coming out over the next few weeks. Hopefully in time before you need them, so you'll have them. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.